হাই, ওয়েলকাম ব্যাক টু মাই চ্যানেল ডিএস গুপ্তা। আজকে একটা দারুণ জিনিস বলতে চলেছি, সেটা হচ্ছে কি আই বট অ্যানাদার আই শ্যাডো প্যালেট, বাট দিস টাইম I have got it from Misho. Do you know how much it costs me? Only 151 with no delivery charges. So, wanna see what's inside? For the filters, it is like this, but it's not like this. See. And I am here to share my new makeup kit with you all, with the makeup of course. So are you ready? Are you really ready? Let's begin. I'll just quickly, I have only done my eyebrow and a lipstick is on, otherwise nothing is there. You can see nothing. Yeah, it's face washed, toned and iced. Can you see? This is almost gone. Almost gone. So I'll, কেন এত বকবক করছি তাই না? চলুন তাড়াতাড়ি কিছু না কিছু শুরু করা যাক। I prep my skin with a lactocalamine lotion. I love the fragrance of this lactocalamine. Right now I'm not going out, so I'm not using foundation stick. Yeah, I look like a joker at the moment, but surely and with a little time I'm going to blend it. So I'm going to quickly blend this. I'll squeeze this with the water and come back to you. Blend it all nicely. ঝড়ে, রেমনা ঝড়ে তো সাংঘাতিক অবস্থা হয়ে গেছিলো, সকলের জন্যই খুব খারাপ ছিল। রিলিফ কেউ পায়নি, না গাছেরা পেয়েছিল, না মানুষেরা পেয়েছে, না জন্তু জানোয়াররা যারা বাইরে থাকে ঘোরে। আফটার আমফান, it's a bad, really bad moment for a lot of things to go wrong. Here I'm using my blush again. Quickly blend this. অনেকবার বহুবার দেখিস তাই এগুলো আর বেশি দেখাই না। Now to bake this entire thing, I'm not using contour today. I'll use the baby powder like always, most of it. Makes it easier. Now, moment of the truth, let's use the palette. And I'm done with 2 minutes. So right now I'm going to use this shade particularly for the crease area. Let's see if it's pigmented or not. I don't know. Not yet actually, because it's really light. The next shade that I'm going to use is, I am still confused, but I will try. I'll show you. Let's go with the pink. I'll go with this pink today. They are pigmented. Goodness. Oh my god. I love it. I am loving it. It's pigmented. Next, which shade am I supposed to use? I have never tried something that is this shade. Its name is Cocoa, but it's in a redder shade, so I'm going to use that. Let's see. But I will use a black as well. Okay. Oh. I made a mistake. Okay. So, here I'm making a V. লাল বাদর তো লাগছে না, জানি না। Ah, ha ha ha. Now I'm going to use this black shade. I hope it's more pigmented. Let's see. Let's try. Oh, okay. I wish there was a brown shade actually, but it's okay. Not bad. This is more appropriate than this. If फैल गया ज़्यादा. Yeah, now it's okay. Now I'm gonna use some shimmering shade, and I feel that I should go with the golden shade. So it's in gold. अरे वाह, wow, nice. Nice, really nice, right? So they are pigmented and I'm glad. What a proper rose gold shades. I love this. Just 151 with no delivery charges. It's excellent. Affordable and excellent thing. Now I'm going to use a highlighter. For highlighter I'm using, bubbly shade. This one. Too pigmented, really too pigmented. This is okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this shade and this shade again at my lower lash area. And one more thing that I really want to do is I want to use a shimmering shade at the down area as well. So what I'm going to do is Dubaj. This is the shade. Since I got a mirror out here, so I used it. Oh, I'm so sorry. I got a mirror out here, so I'm using it like this. I'm done. Now I'll do the eyeliner and get back to you again. I did my liner and একটু আলাদা হয়ে গেছে মাস্কারা টাইম ফিল্টারটার জন্য সব বেঁকে যায় ডোন্ট মাইন্ড I always say filters are better than fillers, Botox, plastic surgery, plastic dolls. আমি একটা ছোট ক্লিপ লাগিয়েছিলাম Wow, I look like a baby doll right now. I'll brush my hair off and লাগছে না বাট একটু করে নিই actually looks presentable. So I'm back, and if you have actually enjoyed this eyeshadow palette, it's from eyeshadow palette Rose Gold Palette Remastered. Huda Beauty এর একটা রেপ্লিকা বলতে গেলে ডুপ্লিকেট rather, but it works really awesome and it's quite pigmented. You can see this. I love it. For day-to-day basis you can use it, even though as a feedback if anybody asks, then একটা brown shade হওয়া খুব দরকার ছিল for the crease area. Even though I have managed it, we all do. রেড কালারটা বোধহয় যাচ্ছে না, আমি ঠিক রেড কালার person now. I'm a maroon or dark magenta color person. That suits me. I have applied my sindoor out here. I'm married, that's why. So if you really enjoyed this makeup tutorial video, please give it a thumbs up, give it a like, share, comment down something if you want to. No negative, please. And share it with your people if you want to, with your friends, with your cousins, I mean sisters, you know. So আমি আজকে আইভরিটা দিইনি, I just used the eyeshadow today. You can see this. It's only eyeshadow. The shimmering part, I don't make it too deep and dark, but I make it visible. So because I wear glasses. I'll see you next time with another video. I'll do more so that I'm satisfied to share it with you all. I'll show you one thing. It's my Puchke mini clutcher that I was using while doing the makeup. So if you have any queries, you can ask me here. And you can trust Misho makeup things. Not all, but few. Not the makeup kit, I guess. There are so many negative reviews on it because obviously with a cheaper and very 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 affordable range, you cannot manage to have everything, you know, in one platter. But this one, I liked it and I hope you have enjoyed it too. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time. Bye. অনেক বকবক করে দিলাম।